This conference
I
will
hope you are
now be
able to.
recorded.
Okay. So in the last class, we were discussing about accounts, contacts, opportunities, right? So we have started with a lead entity. If you qualify the lead, opportunity will be created. One second. Opportunity will be created. So during this qualification from the lead to opportunity, account and contacts are getting created. If you want, we can stop by selecting existing account and existing contact, or by using the administrative settings, we can stop. And then, so in the opportunity, so we stopped around at like adding a products, right? So we'll take opportunity now. Okay, we'll take any open opportunity and we'll try to add. See, these are open opportunities here. See, audio visual opportunity. Okay, in this, if we see, this is a US dollar based. So here in this product, as I said that yesterday, based on the price list, we should add product into this opportunity because this opportunity is converted, right? Because customer is interested. So what we need to do is we need to add a products what customer is interested based on the price list. Based on the price we are selecting here, with respect to this, the amount will be calculated. Now I'm going to add product now. You see, add product. You see, there are two products available under this price list. So arm band I'm selecting to the user. If we want to give any discount, we can give. I'm just closing now. I'm just added a product. I just selected a product here. You see, quantity is 1. And now in this product subgrade, it will redirect back to this opportunity. Now you see, armband it is added now. One product, $100. What happened? As soon as the product is added into this subgrade, the amount will be calculated. You see, this we cannot customize. This is out of the box functionality. Okay, if I add another product now, armband instant. This is 200 rupees worth. So now I'm just saving and closing. You see, multiple products, like customer is interested for multiple products, we can add here. So automatically this amount price per unit quantity is getting calculated by the system only. You see, $200, $300. Okay, I think this is not available product. That's why it is not shown. We can remove if you want also. See, not available. It's not configured. So that's why these products are not displaying here. You see. Only these two I just configured. $200. One is $100, $300. You see. So here, what is the freight end amount? Shipping amount, if you want to add anything like $50, so $350 it will become. You see, what are the symbols we have here, plus and minus now? So based on that only, the amount will be calculated. Let's say you want to give any 10% discount on overall amount. Just give 10% and say automatically this will calculate like 350, 320. Right. So that's why this is an entry question also. This calculation part, can we modify? No, we cannot modify an opportunity, because whatever the products we are adding into the opportunity, that amount will be calculated immediately in the below section. Let's say you want to add quantity. Quantity means I want two products, not one. Here we can add. So this amount will be calculated automatically. 400, right? So here also, if you want this quantity 10, let's say 1,000 rupees. Now the calculation part also should happen here. So here we can recalculate opportunity. You see. Right? This is how the product should be added here. And then based on this, we should go with the quotations. In the last class, we were discussing, right? Lead opportunity, then quotations. Right? In the opportunity, we have added a product. Now, in this case also, instead of moving it to the quotation, sometimes directly they don't want quotations and nothing, but directly they'll give an amount and they will purchase. Here, we can click and close as one directly. This opportunity, the customer is purchased directly, close as one, actual revenue. That's it. We can click on. So this opportunity is one for the company. Sometimes in this situation also, before creating the quotation, customer don't want this product. Cancel. We can cancel here itself. In the lead also we can disqualify. In the opportunity also we can disqualify. Okay, this is a one option. So now once the product is added, now we should go to the quotation. Number of quotations we can create by clicking on a new button. We'll move from opportunity to quotation. So I'm just clicking on OK. You see, new quotation will be created. See now, new quotation is created. You see. Quotation number is created, and from which opportunity we came, because this opportunity only we have created, right? Quotation. So that's what is referring to this one. What is the customer name? What is the currency? Everything the data is copied from the opportunity to quotation. Along with this data, quotation will be created. Now you see in the quotations, whatever the products we have added in the opportunity, all the products we can see 400,000. The same is calculated here. Here also we can change. If we want to give additional details in a quotation also we can give. Let's say customer is agreed. Okay, customer is agreed. Now I'm activating this code because customer is happy with the amount. Okay, so I just activated. Once you activate the quotation, no one can edit these values, because once a quotation is activated, no one should change the amount. The change amount, they sales team will increase. That is not good, right? Okay. Sales. So now this is activated. So what will happen after one day? Customer is realized that I don't want this quotation. Somebody is giving less than $100. Like what we have 1,300, 1,400, right? So less only, the other competitor is giving very less price. So what should I do now? Because I activated a quotation. So here we can revise the quotation. You can revise the quotation here. Revise means again changing the amounts. I mean, this is editable now. It's not read only. So you can now quote can be edited. Again, we can change. So again, I'm going to give 15% now because customer is not happy. Okay, so now I'm just saving now. You see, now again I've given additional discount 5%. Again, we can activate. Okay, now customer is okay. In case if we not agreed, again we need to reactivate. I think we need to revise. Okay, how many times you revise now? Those many times this number will be incremented. You see, if I revise once again, now it will become 2. You see, means those many times we have changed the quotation. Like this, we will come to know. Okay, 3 times this quotation has been changed because customer is not agreed. Okay, quotation is ready. The read only, it will become a read only active, read only status. We cannot change anything because this is a finalized amount. Okay, and then once the quotation is activated, we need to go for an order creation. Order, right? Once the quotation is agreed by the customer, we should go with an order, and that existing opportunity handle, if we want to close, we can close, or no need to close, because we came from the opportunity, right? That opportunity you want to close or not, it is asking. So now just clicking on OK. Now it will move from quotation to order. Now order created successfully. Now you see, same like what are from which opportunity we have came, that options also will come. See, I came from this opportunity. In this opportunity, we have created this quotation. That quotation customer is so and so person. From there, the entire information is copied and it's moved to quotation to order, and order ID also it's generated automatically. Right. So here again the products also copied from opportunity to quotation, quotation to order. So everything is copied here. So even price amount also it's calculated. Okay, everything is calculated. Now if customer is okay with the order, all the products are ready. Now we can click on fulfill order. So we can say complete. So everything is ready. Partial means only some products are there, some products are not there. So complete means I'm just clicking on fulfill. It is become a read only, because if it is not read, someone will come and will increase the amount. That should not. That's why it will become a read. So order is ready. Now we'll ask them to pay an amount, that is invoice generation. So final step in the, this is a functional flow invoice. So invoice generated successful. You see, invoice generated successfully, and invoice ID also is generated from these by retrieving the data from the different entities. Like you see, opportunity, contract, customer, everything is retrieved, right? You see the US dollar only, like we are building. So all the products are copied from there, and then final amount is added here. Yes. Now this is invoice information. If customer will pay, then invoice will confirm the invoice. Once he paid, we'll click on a invoice paid. Is invoice paid. Sorry. Cancel also, we can cancel invoice also. Just click on invoice paid. Here partial means like sometimes they will go for a EMI option. At that time we need to click on partial, or if we click on complete, the invoice will be completed. This is the end of the process. You see, one sale is completed from my company. How many invoice generated on this application? Those many products are sold. That means, let's say if I go to invoice, if my manager generate the reports here, they'll come to know, okay, these many invoices completed so far. Like only today, only one, so that I can see. Right. So for everything, there is a automated process flow that every salesperson should follow. Because at the end of the day, they should come to know in which status the sale is stopped. At the lead level, it is stopped, or opportunity level is stopped. And after preparing the quotation, it is stopped, or order after creating an order, or after generating an invoice also, it may stop, right? Customer may realize, okay, I don't want this product like this. So that's why it is creating every record from the previous entity and it is storing. Because these many entities, we can check lead entity also, we can check our record, opportunity, quotation, order, invoice also, we can check all the entities data. Right. Okay. So this is a sales functional process only, not technical. Technical means maybe in the further classes we can. But here you see, again, I'm just explaining here. This is an interview question also. What is the out of the box sales process in CRM? I mean, have you now navigate from what is the starting point and what is the ending point? This is what they want in interviews. So we can say sales module is starting from the lead. If you qualify the lead, opportunity will be created. In the opportunity, based on the price list, we can add a products. Once the products are added, the amount will be calculated automatically, and then quotation can be created. We can create a number of quotations. We can revise the quotations. We can activate the quotations, and then we can go for an order creation. Once the order is confirmed, we can go for invoice creation. If the invoice is confirmed, we can say invoice is completed. This is a process we need to explain. This is a generic process in outside. If you go to Bajaj showroom, they will do all these things. They will prepare quotation and they will go for an order and then they will generate an invoice. Simple procedure. But additionally, we need to add as per the process. Because to navigate from one entity to another entity and all, so we have not written any code. This is out of the box functionality. Right? I have not written any code here. This out of the box functionality I have used. Correct. Okay. Now, here you see very limited entities I'm able to see here. Not all the entities. right? So where can I check all the entities? There is an option called advanced find. Advanced. Here, by using this option, I can see all the entities, because next I'm going to work on a product entity, product configurations. Because in the opportunity, we have added a products based on the price list. How those products are configured, we must know, right? So in order to go there, first, what is this option? How can we navigate? Here you see, I just clicked on advanced find. Okay, I just clicked on advanced find. Here you see there are all the entities we can see here. Account, section code, because there are some limited entities because based on the size here. But from the advanced find, there are number of entities we can see. Let's say contacts you want or some other entity. Contacts using. Just click on result. So not yet. Come slow. Yeah. Contacts. Just click on result here. There are 219 contacts here. All the contacts we can download if you want. Export contact. Right. So this advanced find purpose is like where you can get all the entities information, because like coming to the products, I'm going to use some entities like price list and price list items, because I cannot see from here. So I'll navigate to this advanced find price list I want. I need to just click on 14. Okay, you see there are 14 price lists. So if you want to add additional columns or you want to remove, just click on here, edit columns. You see, add columns. We can add number of columns. How many? See, not only for this entity, just click on add. You see, all the columns will come. So whatever the column you don't want, just click on this and remove. Just click on OK and get result. You see how many columns are displaying here. You can download if you want. If you want to create a new record also, we can create from here, you see. Right. So if you want to create, just save this some data and just save. It's saving the record. Now it will become 2009, 2020. Okay. Sorry, 15, right? Now it will become 60. It is not saved. Maybe some filter criteria is. There are 41. We create another one, so it's become 40. It was 40, now it's 41. So like this. So because this will be useful instead of navigating from different places, directly you can click on advanced find Just go to that particular entity, just click on result. That particular data you will get it. If you want to create from here also, it's easy. Right? Okay. So now we just lead, opportunity, competitors, or quotation order, invoice we have discussed. And the pending thing is how we need to add up, how we need to configure products, how those products are coming into the opportunity. This part is we need to discuss. Okay. So now I have some urgent work. So I'm just stopping now. So we can continue tomorrow. Is it fine? Shankar, Priyanka, Sasank, Gautam.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay,
We
sir.
will continue 1 hour. Bye. See, wherever you receive any links, like the recording links, you download and you keep it in a local drive, because after some days those links are expired. Okay. Daily I'm sending the recording videos also. Please download.
Okay.